Welcome to day 7 of our series. Today we are testing your knowledge with a fruit quiz. Let's see how many you can get right in both English and Arabic. أهلا بكم في اليوم السابع لمسابقة الفواكه. اليوم سنختبر معلوماتكم باللغتين الإنجليزية والعربية. Today is day 7 of our 30-day fruit series with a quick review quiz of all the fruits we have learned this week from day 1 apple to day 7 pineapple. Watch the animation, guess the name, and see if you can translate it between English and Arabic before the timer runs out. What's inside? 7 animated fruits questions, English and Arabic pronunciation, quick fire learning format. Apple, تفاحة. Guess what? Star, نجمة. Orange, برتقال. Guess what? Fish, segment. Banana, Mouse. Guess what? Half banana, نصف موزة. Strawberry, فراولة. Guess what? بذرة, seed. Grapes, عنب. Guess what? عنقود, cluster. Watermelon, بطيخ. Guess what? لب, pulp. Pineapple, أناناس. Guess what? Slice, شريحة. Stay tuned. Coming soon. Follow for day 8, mango. Do write in the comments which is your favorite fruit.